Monday, 8th February 2016. And this, now fresh new week and the beginning of another interesting episode there of the Ogbonge television program As E Dey Hot. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV, channel 98, on top of Go TV cable. My name is Ezugo Chokwote. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabuel as they concern the political matter. As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. We don't carry on that Monday edition of that Ogbonge program As E Dey Hot coming out the month. Where that program will be say they always they give now up-to-date information on political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we no go different. We'll give now all the gist will happen over the weekend so that at least for those of now we don't know what they happen for the country now we'll be up to date on what they happen around us. We'll also open our phone and start now we'll also feel contribute. My name never see change. My name now Nkubi and this now As E Dey Hot.
We not go waste any time. We're going to introduce our Ogbonge visitor when join us this morning to discuss all of the action story wey happen from weekend. I know say on Monday we dey tear the nylon come out on top of all the action story, and it dey sweet if we carry person when we say he sabi well as they concern anything politics matter for Obodo Nigeria, and he go dey use wisdom dey chook mouth inside the matter. Our Ogbonge visitor na veteran, and what people they call him veteran. That is to say, he sabi well. In a person when we say if you turn him upside down, now only two things go fall from his hand: notebook and biro, because everything when they do now just to write. From the angle when I don't carry him going, I know so they talk about journalists. And now somebody when we say you must clear your throat before you introduce them. Our Ogbonge visitor now, Oga Leo Ezekiel. Oga Leo Ezekiel, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Chokode, Happy New Year.
Leo, you're welcome.
Uncle be Happy New Year.
I wish you the same, sir.
How na day?
We did fine.
It don't tell.
He don't pay.
We do Christmas. I no come in. I no send me Christmas wishes. It no good though. I've been a friend.
But we put you for prayers.
Okay.
That one say follow.
But prayers to Guru and Ekpa. No, the prayers never complete now.
He gets somehow.
We always they balance that one. Time they will balance that one go at least.
You could balance them today.
We go do them today with all our discussion. Okay. Oga Leo, once again, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you, my brothers.
Our people went there for our house. Make una remember, say, una fit join us on top of this action discussion. That is to say, when you reach the time, we go to our telephone lines open. You self go chook man for inside the matter. Talk am the way anything pay you for body. You get what they talk, but you don't take. I talk say this na the only television station when we kick goat to take use make pepper soup for you. That's why we knock una with 3 telephone lines. Come top them up with 1 toll-free line. What be toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. Oga Leo. I go speak English. Let's sink our teeth into all of the action stories from the weekend.
Are they with you?
The first one we'll go talk now about the holiday when we say our Oga Presido carry waka go do. We people they call them vacation. And they talk say since body no be firewood, Oga Presido go need some time to go cool off to relax because it's not easy. And we say no say they can't travel when he don't travel self. He need the rest. But one good thing happen, as in they go, he carry power, give him vice president. So that when thing happen for Nigeria that year, it no go happen again. And we know say, okay, yes, so no vacuum day. Our vice president, they continue for when Oga Presido don't leave him. But he get one interesting thing when happen when he enter for UK, the United Kingdom, and he do interview with the New Telegraph. And for that interview, when he do with the New Telegraph, he can drop one talk when we say the thing touch the minds of plenty Nigerians. He been they talk about say when they answer question about asylum seekers, that is people when we say that they go there to go seek asylum, that is say the country had them, they won't go there. He can answer one question. He talk say those people when they go there to go seek asylum, say their chances they're very slim. Sake of say the kind bad behavior when plenty Nigerians that they behave for UK and even America when we say plenty of them not there inside prison, say the thing don't spoil their chances. A lot of Nigerians hear this thing, they talk say, may Gaskia. That one means say, our Oga Presido, as the thing be, now they talk, he know they hide mouth, they always they talk true. But other people can't talk, say no. Say no be president of country, suppose they talk this kind of thing, because we get plenty Nigerians when we say, that they celebrate them for different parts of this country. Say if you can't do a fallacy, to generalize, say every Nigerian, the behavior of criminals, the thing get the way when the thing be. Our Ogbonge visitor go join us to discuss this matter so that everybody mind go cool down. That's one of our action story from this weekend.
Yes, and from that one, make we enter straight into one of our our old Presido talk. we talk, say, look, say the Chibok girls, say they don't work out forever. Say they are gone for good, say we no go fit see them again. And who be the person who talk this thing? And Oga OBJ, that is Oga Olusegun Obasanjo, for one interactive section where you get with some students for Obafemi Awolowo University, where they tag reflection of an elder statesman, an evening with Oga OBJ. Now, within the tag he come and talk, say, look, anybody they talk saying they find Chibok girls, they find Chibok girls. They carry out investigate, they do everything possible. Say the girls, they don't miss. Say, now no go fit see them again. Now within Oga OBJ talk. Say, look, any president will come and talk, say, look, say he's promising and guaranteeing you that Chibok girls will be found. Say the person just wasting time. Say, now no go see any Chibok girls. Say, these girls who they talk about, say 72 hours after they kidnap them, where they don't make any attempts. Now that time, say, from after 72 hours, they don't see their civic and forget about them. People go to talk, say, look, why Oga President they talk this, ex-president they talk this kind of thing? He said, make they give Nigerians, and especially the parents of these children, some sense of hope. Say, yes, so things will still change. And we'll still feel somehow find some of these girls, or find the girls. They come and they even talk like this. Say, no, we don't expect this from an elder statesman like Oga OBJ. So now waiting, Oga OBJ talk for the gathering we get with some OAU students for Ife, be this.
From that story, we go look the one when we say plenty Nigerians, since the time when they hear them, it can't be like, say, people they wait, say, okay, make we see the kind of magic when government won't perform. This one get to do with the promise when we say the APC they make during the electioneering campaign, say when they enter inside office, because of the kind way when we say suffering don't get 6 packs for the mind of plenty Nigerians. Say they go put some kind things when we say it go be like drip or injection to pursue the suffering of 6 pack coming for inside Nigerians' body. Plenty people go and look, say, una just they use una mouth, they talk this one. We never see any plan. But from the office of Oga Presido, they don't roll out grand plan. We go break them down, make everybody hear. Everybody knows, say, inside the 2016 budget, say 500 billion. I go pause because no be money when they call once. 500 billion naira. Now our Presido in office, they don't put down, say, okay, they go, no, they will distribute this money. Not be just for people when they poor, but for young people for this country when we say they no get work, and those when we say they no go school, but they won't work based on say they go train them. Make we break everything down. They talk say out of this money, 60 billion naira go to around 1 million very, very poor people. They go give them this money, make them even first hope first. Make their body dey okay, make the high blood pressure when they get from poverty, make the thing reduce. They go also talk, say, they don't check now. Say 500,000 young Nigerians when we say they won't work, say they go employ them to do waiting, to do teacher work. They go also talk as say 370,000 people when we say they no go school based on say university and polytechnic, but they won't train them so that they will get skill to the work. Say they go do this one. And now Oga Adeolu Akonde will be SSA for the office of the vice president. Now he come out with this information. Plenty Nigerians can't look this one come to say, easy to call money, easy to call number, but make we begin to see action. Whether we will come talk say, the way when we say this government don't take time, over 8 months, to gather all the data when they won't gather, say make Nigerians just give them all the support. Our open visitor go join us to chook mouth inside this matter. Make it be like say whether we dey dream or the reality.
Yes, from them, we'll carry and enter Benue State, where we have say, some Fulani husbands don't do it. Don't carry their jaguda violence, enter some communities, some villages where they inside them, Benue State. We just say they carry and they cause casualties, a lot of casualties. Say about 10 people pay for this invasion, and there were about 300 properties, now they destroy, houses especially, now they destroy, they burn. We just say this crisis now between Fulani herdsmen and some farmers for the community, and the community they mentioned now Tom Ayin and Tom Atan communities for inside the Buruku local government area of Benue State. We also hear say these people don't take over this place. Say even say the chairman of the local government and the Oga of police where they in charge of the divisional this thing for that place. Say they even carry leg enter there go find that as things they happen there. Say if they don't know say these people don't even take over the whole community. Even they themselves say they nearly attack them. But if not because of, say, some kind heavy this thing, but say, they normally do it in Waka Comot. Say, the situation right now for these communities, they're very, very severe. Even as we talk, so, according to some of the news over the year, say, the crisis still there on as we talk. So, now, waiting we get to give now about the Fulani husband and the crisis where they happen for Benue State, right about now with that.
And to top our story, on top of all the things when we carry come this weekend, and one ogbonge lawyer inside Obodo, Nigeria, Oga Femi Falana, and he come out, come draw in 2 ear. You know, say, Mama, then they draw 1, but he only draw 2. He draw in 2 ear, come shout, say, federal government, Oga Presido, Vice Presido, Nigerian people, he can't kneel down join to show the thing they pay now where. He saying they beg Nigerians, say, World Bank, say anywhere where Nigerians hear World Bank, make the Christians they shout Holy Ghost fire, make the Muslims they shout Allahu Akbar. They go answer and say why? He said, this plan when it be like say we won't get to go borrow money to service this our 2016 budget. He said from waiting in the see and from waiting in know, say a very, very big mistake. Say World Bank them, if they give you something with left hand, they go collect something with right hand though. Make we not forget, say the Oga Patapata of IMF, Christine Lagarde, don't come Nigeria one time. When people look, say which kind breeze blow this woman, enter inside Nigeria, when she talk, say no, say she just come, say she look our project finish, come see, say she won't give advice. Other people talk, say this woman, anywhere when the woman come, she dey carry one big promise come or say if you want to borrow money we will give you. Dem talk say no be to borrow that money but na the kind plans wey go come from their own part when dem borrow you money. Oga Femi Falana na person wey be say for so many years for im life he don dedicate am to the struggle of the ordinary people, and this warning when he don carry give plenty Nigerians dey talk say make federal government make dem wait first, make dem no rush, make dem hear this advice wey he give before dem go collect that money. Our ogbonge visitor go chook mouth for inside all these stories wey we don carry come, and you when you dey house get the right to chook mouth inside. Oga Leo Ezekiel once again, based on say the way when the question, the topics say they come, I go allow you to catch your breath because I know say you don ready to even don enter the story one by one. So wetin we go do be say we go start from the first one, the interview wey me say Oga Presido get with the Telegraph. I go ask you your own personal opinion because the thing on the trend for social media. Plenty people they talk say you get one hashtag we are not criminals. People they talk say no be our Oga Presido suppose they go outside. They talk say the kind
picture way.
I don't even know how to even put that. The kind of reputation when we say Nigerians don't put out when plenty of them they prison. Say the thing they spoil our chances outside this country. What do you get to talk about this particular matter?
I beg my brother, I thank you that well. People when they talk say wetin Presido talk for London. Say true, Presido you know do well with that statement. Because it be like woman when bath and picking finish, he throw away water, he throw away picking when he bath. What he can do? No papa we go say him picking bad or mama. If you catch night thief, na man. We don't catch thief. No killer, leave am. Why do man say make no killer? Be say that pikin fit be your own pikin. When they break, they go know who the pikin be. They go advise them. So now true say some Nigerians, some of us no get good behavior. But not be every Nigeria bad. Me when they here I know bad.
Even myself.
You did it, you know bad.
You
know the,
Myself, I know bad. No,
bad.
don't excuse me on top of my matter. What
wait, Unkubi, you know bad.
Thank you.
Me, Leo, I know bad. Chukudi, you know bad. So all of us will be criminals. Because if we all are criminals, we're not going to do this what we do here this morning. So our Presido, he no do well at all. You good make we tell and true, so make it a learn from where he make mistake. He no go hang all of us when they say we tell and true. Presido, when you go do interview publicly, before you go answer reporters' questions, chew and force, bite them here and there, swallow them, bring her out. I never see mama, we go say me dem kill night thief since them born me. He go say, make una never kill that boy till they break because that night thief fit be him own pikin. And if they kill, I no go happy. So Presido, I beg you. You don't go live now for 5 days. When you come back to office, when they ask a question for anywhere, whether Naija or abroad, at least you be 74 years old man. You not be picking again. Then say, Bible say, 70 grace. After 10, grace again. And you don't get that grace now. 4 don't enter inside 70. I beg my papa, my president, when you want to talk about Nigerians, make you chew and well because not every Nigerian they bad. We still get good people where they shine, where they walk, where they talk well of this Nigeria. For example, Cool FM now one of them.
Wazobia TV
now one of them.
Ezugu Chukwudi
and
Nkubi
himself.
No,
because
it can't just end up on you.
No. Because they don't make it so simple. Say make they don't say as they hot. You know go say you know sabi book again. You know if you speak good Oyibo. Now, can't talk just small grammar, small English. They go hear you. So Oga Presido, PMB, President Muhammadu Buhari, I beg you, my papa, with your age, you still my elder brother. So you are my father.
Oga Leo, may I quickly ask this question. We know so over time, we don't hear Oga Presido come up from Nigeria. A lot of things we know they talk here. Now for abroad, we job like they hear and pass. We don't see cases where we say Nigerians go even they ask, Oga Presido, why would you be saying this outside your country? What you make you present this thing for country? Make you not take suffer out. Why is it for anywhere interview and grant you outside? You go to talk all these things. Okay, as the Presido, going by what you don't talk here now. And the President will be saying normally, if you look and finish, he's supposed to do it, supposed to sell in country well. What if those vital things where you know say yes, so these are the things where Oga President is supposed to talk outside, rather than for him to come out. So come on, because if you look at no country will no bad though. No country will no get bad person.
See,
you understand? What are those major things we say Oga President is supposed to tell other international bodies so that they could know say, okay, these are the areas where we fit contribute, rather than to give us bad picture outside.
Oga Presido, true. He say, well, they say nobody there above mistake. But the truth of the story be say, Oga Presido is supposed to paint Nigeria well. Even say Nigeria done bad, as in they think. But as he leave Nigerian ground, he could tell them, say, my people still they good. Because people, see, they say, as you do your house, now so people go see your house. As you do your bed, now so you go lie down. So Oga Presido, make it address in our bed. Our bed in Nigeria.
But there are some key things we're supposed to address. Gongo is supposed to tell them. They sell to them.
Those key things we say is supposed to sell our behavior, ideas, courage, conduct. Say, you see, no country where no bad. America, where do they go every day? America bad. London bad. Canada bad, Russia bad, name it, Somalia bad. But now you dress, they say chicken go lay egg. Now in mouth, you take the dress the egg, make it no break. So Presido is supposed to apply wisdom. This is age, not be my age, 74.
True.
Not be my age, not be 74 days, not be my. So you could apply wisdom to the talk about Nigeria's issue. Because in a number one Nigerian man, when everybody know, executive president, chief security officer for Nigeria. So anything when you open my talk, now the world people go to the look us. And because in a number one person is supposed to project Nigeria and Nigerians well, so that when he leave office, the next person go work well.
Very true.
Take example, for South Africa, when Mandela come out for prison, he do election, he win election with what's his name again? Oh, the last white man. I remember his name.
The Clark.
No, not the. Yes, I think the Clark. The Clark, yeah. But Mandela do one good thing. While in the office, he work out systems and procedures. I no one serve 2 terms. 1, my age, don't decline. 2, I don't get what I fight for over the years. I don't rule this country. For that 4 years, Mandela build system and procedure. And I in Thabo Mbeki take over a climber.
Before
Zuma come. But now Zuma, they do one kind. You know, they do 2 within that system talk. And now what are they beg president? We say, do systems and procedures for us. Because for your age now, by 2019, it's not declined to 77 or 76. So you're not supposed to apply for second tenure. Then who go take over from him? Go put this country right.
Ogalio Ezike,
yes.
You don't hit this matter for head, but you go good make we point them out, say, what the Oga Presido talk? In truth, people don't talk, say, because of sensationalism, say news story people go just carry the thing drop, because if you check the headline when we say New Telegraph put, they won't be say, they put, say, Nigerians' reputation, criminal reputation abroad, make them unwelcome in Britain.
Leave that.
No, Ogalio, make we just emphasize. Say,
leave that one.
Ogalio, make we emphasize, say, Oga Presido don't talk. And wetin him talk, as you don already put am, say, if we dey go outside dey talk about our country, we know say we get image problem. But like Nkubi talk, the things wey we say go push our country forward. Just like plenty Nigerians when they celebrate for different parts of this world, say yes, they do well for the society when they live in. Now wetin we suppose dey project, just like you talk, every country get bad things when they worry them, but we go dey try put our good thing over the bad thing because we get good Nigerians. We'll just put full stop for that matter so that we will continue, because story plenty when we go say we go discuss.
So you supposed to leave that one?
No, just pause am for now.
Okay.
So that we'll continue with the one when
that is one way one of our old past president talk. Oga OBJ wey come and talk say, look, say the issue of the Chibok girls, say anybody they promise now, say Chibok girls, say they go see them, say they don't make plans on how they will take recover them or see them. Say the person just they lie give now.
Make a talk.
Oh yeah, now fire on.
OBJ he no talk lie. OBJ no talk lie. The day when this thing happened, April 14, 2014, what is happened? I tell them, say, these girls, to see them, go be difficult.
But wait, make I quickly enter through this angle. Oga OBJ talk, say, 72 hours after the girls they kidnap, say, anybody they think of, say, they find girl, after 72 hours, they wasting time. But then, people the ruling party at this point take this thing, campaign well, we will know of. Wetin make am no come give that same advice? I say, okay, now just of all the promises, this one, I notice I will get them right. Rather than this later hour talk, we can't talk now.
Nkubi, see, OBJ na military man, general. He don't waka, see what they happen. Remember saying OBJ na stop Nigerian Biafra Civil War when he took off from Adekule? Because later Adekule, they make money out of that system. But when OBJ entered, the war stopped. So OBJ na tactician, strategist, military man. 72 hours when he talk, they true. But he don't wait. That's 72 hours. If you don't wait, make you see what things people will happen. But me, I'm not a military man. But the kind of sense where God give me, the day when that thing happened, I might tell my colleagues, say, this thing not that easy. Because take example, for Iran, 1979, Americans, they take them hostages. Those Americans were released 1981 for Iran.
But hostages on the ground say their own, we say they know, say they somewhere.
They know. So that one get application, say they're there for this house. But Chibok girls, I see I say for Sun newspaper, front paper, that Chibok girls cannot be found. Some of them they don't marry them. Some don't go far because they don't agree become Muslim. He said, but time will come, maybe after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, they could tell their story. But in 30 years, Buhari is not even there alive now. In 30 years. Your pastor himself no go feed there alive. Oshibajo no go feed there alive. Some go don't die finish in 30 years. But the way Ambassador talk say, people they promise say they will see Chibok girls, now lie that they talk. And in own angle be say, some people they get guguru and ekpa with Chibok girls. Because everybody say, bring back girls, bring back our girls, bring back our dad, bring back that. They go call people gather for one corner.
Tag and one
tag and one name. They go do 2 shirts. They go do cap. They all not to get guguru and ekpa. True matter. Those girls don't go too far. Okay. My question is say, where the security man there for that school that night? Where the principal? Where the for them plan this issue? Executive say they just carry 240 girls one night from one compound, from one school, from one town. We get governor, we get SSS, we get soldiers, we get police. Commissioner there for that place. Chukwudi, Nkubi, if you look at well, hands they inside this matter.
Ogalio.
Hands they inside the matter.
Ogalio, we will come from this angle now. We agree say Oga Presido. And a person when we say former Presido, even our Oga Presido too, 2 of them they get military background.
Yes.
Just like me, self get military background. And
we are there for train you. Which soldier? Why for fight? Now which platoon for fight?
No.
Which brigade?
Not be everybody go fight.
So which platoon?
Some people are intelligence. Some people are intelligent. I know why they do. This is a Boy Scout. This is a Boy Scout.
Tell us, make you ask you the question. Make you know just collect the question from her. Leave every other way they talk.
Okay. Ogalio, let me come from now. Former Presido, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo talk say, if we check the circumstances when surround our action after these girls then go, and till date, and say if we wan tell ourselves the truth, say the girls dem they don go forever. But even our soldier people, they still release statements when they talk say and then they close in on where these girls then dey.
See, statement that they use about all the time. Everywhere for world, government get people they tell lies for them. See, make I tell you, government supposed to be book, mirror, what people go they see.
What they see, yes.
But because say human beings, they one kind, they can't make government make it be mirror where they turn upside down. People when they write that statement, they write that to deceive the world. Those guys don't go far. And Obasanjo don't be small picking again. You know they're close to 80. So man we don't leave first course. Not supposed to tell lies. If you look inside Bible, when they carry the Israelites go exile, they cry to God. God remember them. They come back. Okay, they pray every day for church. Chibok girls. Muslims they say Allah Akbar. God is the greatest. Allah is the greatest. They pray. But the true matter we say, these girls they don't go. But now which people plan these things? Who they give this? Who give them motto, military motto with their carrying, military uniform, gun with their carrying. Carry 240 girls.
Ogalio, basically, what you try to talk now is say rather than to they delve into say would they find get, make rather delve into waiting lead to waiting.
That is it.
Especially people people they behind them, the sponsoring of all this sect and all that.
Yes.
Okay.
There are people. You get people when they give them money, food, water, clothes, and that school self, the principal. If you ask me, they don't get that principal, the head teacher, all of them, the senior teachers. They go bring a, when they ask them question intelligently, the truth, they come out small. Because for me, I don't read so many magazines internationally and locally. That day that thing happened, I tell them say this guys don't go far. They don't see them again. And since that day, some people they call me wizard. So they say be prophet. I say these guys don't go far because
Ogalio, you don't try with this your answer when you say you don't give, and we really appreciate them. What we go quickly do now, not to rush, enter inside one small break. When we go this break, come back, we go continue our discussion as it get to do with the other story when it come from this weekend. No go anywhere. Now still as it is hot. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.